Next questions are like about other YouTubers, that why are you not collaborating with ABC. My first director told me that your smile is beautiful, so I don't want to change it. You're such a coward. If you can talk about products which work for you, why can't you talk about products which don't work for you? I do. Imagine I am in my Jasmine costume. My other girls are in like mermaid and Tinkerbell. उनका belly is showing. We have really exposing costumes, very sexy costumes. हम रास्ते पे चल रहे थे रात के 11:30-12 बजे. People were looking at us. We were crossing those massive roads. All the relatives who were coming home, they used to be like, job नाही मिळाला, मी लावू का कुठे job ला हिला? And I was like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. Today's video is going to be an extremely chatty Q&A. I love watching such videos. It's going to be a long video, I already know that. I'm going to answer a lot of your questions that you sent me on my Instagram, and I'm going to do this makeup look as well while I answer those questions. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started because I have a lot of questions. So the first question is, if you had a chance to delete 1 year from your life, which would that be? I honestly feel that I don't want to delete anything because it has made me the person that I am today. Very cliche answer, but still, if I have to delete 1 year, it has to be when my channel was hacked. I think, yeah, that year or that month I want to delete from my life. Or I can also delete my 12th standard. It was really bad. I was in Ravi Rathi. If you know Villeparle private tuitions, you would know what torture goes in that institution. I mean, of course, they train you really hard for the entrance exams. And as you guys know कि जब JEE first time introduce हुआ था, that was my year. So मेरे साल ही वो होना था, तो they were extra harsh on us. Next question is, if you had to choose between YouTube and Instagram as a viewer, what would you choose? See, as a viewer, I have always been inclined towards YouTube. So रात को also when I get free na, I am not on Instagram that much. I will just post a story and I'll come back. Like, I am always on YouTube. I'm always searching for dog videos and grooming videos. Even if I don't have a dog, I will just search golden retriever grooming, and that's what I keep watching, and the puppy vlogs and stuff. But if you ask me as a creator, it's so easy to get famous on Instagram. Like, it's super easy. All you need is one viral video. And YouTube pe bhi, even if you get a viral video, you are not gonna cross millions and millions of milestones, you know. Like, when my video, the no makeup video, went viral, I still did not cross like lakhs of subscribers on YouTube. Yes, I was getting a lot of subscribers, like 4-5,000 a week, but still I did not cross milestones. Instagram पे आपको बस एक viral video चाहिए and you will just become the Instagram celebrity. So yeah, it's very easy over there. And also content creation wise, also it's a little bit easy, not very, but a little bit easy, because see, when I'm talking to you guys on YouTube, you make like a 10-15 minute video जिसके लिए 1-2 दिन लगता है. अब इसको edit करने में मेरे को और एक दिन लगेगा. I have to keep in mind कि बाहर से आवाज़ ना आए, neighbors की आवाज़ ना आए, and all of that. Instagram content, most of the content has background music in it, so you can sit in a noisy place as well. So there are a lot of like क्या बोलते हैं, advantages of being an Instagram influencer. So I would really suggest कि अगर आपको influencer बनना है तो आप Instagram consider करो अभी के age में. Like, I started 4 years back, so I always see. Can you hear that noise? But yeah, so I would suggest to all the new creators, start getting famous on Instagram first, then you can maybe redirect that traffic to YouTube. So there are a lot of questions about me dating and whatnot. You know who I'm talking about. So I just want to say one thing, and I won't repeat this, that see, I still come from a very middle class Maharashtrian family, Marathi family. My parents are not like cool when it comes to all of this. So give me time. So the first people who will know about my relationship are going to be my parents. Once I tell my parents about whoever I am dating and everything is fine, then you will be the first person to know. I cannot just disclose whatever is happening in my life, love life, whatever that is, because there are some things which I need to keep personal. Of course, I will share it with you guys, but I just need some time, some years maybe, because for me now family comes first. So once I am committed and stuff, I will tell my parents first, and then you will know about it. Before we do our eyebrows, let's just take 2 more questions. How do you manage financially? So as I said that 2020 के बाद I have started doing well, so it's very difficult to manage my finances, so I take my dad's help. and also I've started investing because of course you need to invest. SIP is a good option, PPF is a good option. So my dad tells me whenever he tells me to Mansi यहाँ पे इतने पैसे डाल, I just blindly put it. And I also have a CA who manages and helps me out. So yeah, have you ever regretted any friendship or relationship? Of course, yes, I have. There are so many stupid decisions I must have taken when I was a teenager. So yeah, like I regret that I did not know self-love back then. I was so caught up in like pleasing the other person, may it be like a guy or a girl, like your girl best friend, whatever. I was so caught up in that कि नहीं मुझे उसको खुश करना है, and I never used to even think about my self-respect or anything of that sort. So I just like was a very clingy friend or a girlfriend back then. I would say I would always need validation from them. I was like a dog basically. I wanted to please my master, you know what I mean? I was like that kind of a person. So yeah, I have regretted a lot of things that I have done in the past, but right now I have known the balance, and I know that my partner is also someone who would respect himself and also me at the same time, because you cannot lose yourself. In the end, you just have yourself, not your parents, not your friends, not your lover. In the end, it's just you. What was the worst experience from fashion show? I so want to sit with Sahil and do this Q&A thing. I am definitely gonna do this in July, I promise you guys. But yes, his college was one of the worst. So I've done fashion shows for 4 years, all my engineering life, 4 years right from the first year, and I must have done like 15 to 16 shows every season. So I have a lot of experience from almost all the colleges except to, like medical colleges. Medical भी हम गए हैं काफ़ी, GDC and all. So yeah, but हम medical के साथ compete नहीं करते थे because medical का budget बहुत अलग होता है, उनके props and उनका पूरा मतलब उनका अलग ही होता है. So we always compete with engineering and other branches throughout Mumbai. We used to. मैं ऐसे बात करूँ जैसे मैं अभी भी करती हूँ. Oh my god, that time of my life was. So in Sahil's college now, their fashion show never happens in their college foyer or college premises. They have it in some other ground जो काफ़ी दूर है. So उसके उधर जाने के लिए you need some transport. So when the show was there, तो उन्होंने हमें drop तो करा मैदान में, whatever that place was the ground, but वहाँ से वापस आने के लिए they did not give us any transport. So imagine, I am in my Jasmine costume, my other girls are in like mermaid and Tinkerbell, unka belly is showing. We have really exposing costumes, very sexy costumes, plus we have props. We don't have guys in our team to help us out, we are just all girls team. So if you have seen my fashion show, you would know कि हमारे props काफ़ी बड़े थे. Trishul, then that big skirt जिस पे लिखा है my length of my skirt does not matter, then the Tinkerbell wings, they are huge props. तो ये सब लेके हम रास्ते पे चल रहे थे रात के 11:30-12 बजे. People were looking at us, we were crossing those massive roads and on heels, so it was really inconvenient. So that was like one of the worst experiences. Second was I think RAIT, if I'm not wrong, which is very very far from my house. So उन्होंने हमको college में बंद कर दिया था. They were like, you're not supposed to go out of the college, and I'm like, what? So basically हमारा show खत्म हुआ, and same thing happened. उनके auditorium से we went to their college because हमारा सामान वहाँ पे था. We were getting ready there, no? So हमारे bags सब वहीं थे. So they are like, no, the college is banned, college is locked, you cannot go up. And I was like, how the F am I supposed to go home in this? And my bag is ऊपर, क्या मतलब? Which was so stupid. I mean, how stupid was that? So हमने बहुत मतलब एकदम हम लोग तो धरने पे बैठ गए. Not just my team, everybody, all the fashion show teams were very furious at the college management. But 1 घंटा वहाँ पे रुके, झगड़ा वगड़ा किया, and then they let us go because I think उनका जो security guard था वो I think घर चले गया था, उसने college lock कर दिया था. So yeah, okay, there is a lot of background noise and construction noise, can't help it. Next question is, are you planning to get braces? I don't think I need braces, but at one point of my life I have to. So I think I have mentioned this in the past as well, but can you see these two teeth? Canines, whatever, however you want to pronounce it, those are milk teeth. I am 24 years old and they are still milk teeth, और real वाले पीछे से आ गए. So people generally have 4 canines, like ऊपर 2 नीचे 2. मेरे पास 6 है because ऊपर मेरे पास 4 है, real and milk वाले. तो milk वाले I think eventually would fall off. They are still not falling off. I don't know why. Snehal Tai, you know, Chevy's mother, she's a dentist. She's telling me, Mansi, nikal le. But I am so afraid बिकॉज माई स्माइल वुड चेंज इफ दिस गर्ल्स एंड पीछे के जो मेरे कनाइंस है रियल वाले उनको अगर आगे लाना है तो मुझे ब्रेसेस लगाने पड़ेंगे एंड I am not ready for it because my smile is gonna change and smile is an identity of a person. I feel I don't want to change my smile. And secondly, the director always told me, so I have worked with the director Satyajit Bhatkal, who's also the director of Satyamev Jayate. So he's a sweetheart. I think I've worked with him twice, and he told me when he saw me for the first time and I was like in 5th standard or something, he told me your smile is beautiful because you have this gap in your teeth, so it looks beautiful. That's what he told me. And तब से वो मेरे दिमाग में बैठा है that my first director told me that your smile is beautiful, so I don't want to change it. I know it's stupid because ये कभी ना कभी सड़ने वाले हैं because they have milk teeth, they are gonna have cavities and it's gonna be gross, but I don't know what to do about it. If you had to play in a reality show, will you choose Splitsvilla or Big Boss? Splitsvilla, any day. I mean, I will not go in both, but if I have to only, then I will go for Splitsvilla. Big Boss is not my cup of tea. There are so many personal attacks on Big Boss. I can't stay with brutal people for so long, locked up in a house. Splitsvilla is still fine. Maybe I will find some love and there will be some chemistry and stuff. There will be at least one guy protecting me. But when it comes to fighting and when it comes to attacking people, I am so bad at it. That's why maybe I get so affected when haters come at me. I am so bad at that because I am always मुझे ऐसे हमेशा घर पे पला बड़ा करा है दैट डू नॉट फाइट विद पीपल फॉर नो रीज़न. आई मीन यू हैव टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योर सेल्फ बट यू ऑल्सो कैन नॉट जस्ट अब्यूज पीपल और यू कैन नॉट जस्ट लाइक पिक फाइट्स फॉर नो रीज़न फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. सो आई हैव नेवर बीन दैट चाइल्ड एंड आई हैव नेवर बीन लाइक दैट इन माई कॉलेज स्कूल एवर. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन लाइक दिस. मुझे जो करना है मैं उस पर ही फोकस करके चलती हूँ. आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट कॉम्पिटिशन. आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स इन लाइफ बिकॉज सी यू आर गिवन वन लाइफ एंड आपको दूसरे को लाइफ में झांक के क्या करना है. लाइक it's just so stupid. There is no point. Next question is how to survive a heartbreak. There are so many questions on these lines. I have suffered through a heartbreak, so I can tell you what you can do. So first of all, go start listening to this song 6 Degrees of Separation by The Script. So if you ask me, my favorite band of all times जिसके लिए I can pay lakhs for the ticket is going to be The Script. I love the music they create, the lyrics. ऐसे music मिलना, ऐसे गाने मिलना जिनके lyrics बहुत मीनिंगफुल और प्यारे हो इज सो डिफिकल्ट. द स्क्रिप्ट का एक गाना आप पकड़ लो एंड ऑल द लिरिक्स आर जस्ट दे आर गोना हिट यू राइट हियर. सो आई एम गोना रीड दिस. ओके, 6 degrees of separation के lyrics I'm gonna read and instantly know how you're gonna go through this and you have to go through it. There is no shortcut. It's gonna take a while for you to come out of it. First, you think the worst is the broken heart. What's gonna kill you is the second part. So there are 6 parts. Okay, first is that you think the worst thing that can happen to you is a broken heart. The worst thing, मेरे साथ क्या हो गया यार, ये वो. आपको हमेशा वही लगा कि इससे worst चीज़ और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती. Second thing, what you're gonna feel is that this thing is gonna kill you. Like you don't wanna live and आपको जिंदगी से बहुत नफरत होने लगती है and you just don't wanna live anymore. That's the second part. The third is when your world splits down in the middle. This is so true that your world actually splits down in middle because you feel that once you have broken up with someone, maybe your friends also start splitting and it's just a very very weird broken feeling that you cannot explain in words. Fourth, you're gonna think that you fixed yourself. Then comes a time when you feel that you have just fixed yourself. Everything is fine, nothing is wrong. I am over him and all of that. That is the fourth part. Fifth, you see them out with someone else. This is subjective. Sometimes you don't see them with someone else, but sometimes you see them enjoying their life because let's be real, once we break up with someone, we still stalk them. So yeah, that happens. And the sixth is when you admit that you may have fucked up a little. So this is acceptance. Last part is going to be acceptance, where you realize that the breakup was not just because of that one person. Sometimes things happen mutually. It's not always एक इंसान का fault. There are a lot of things that happen in a breakup or a heartbreak. So I'm gonna repeat First, you think the worst is the broken heart. What's gonna kill you is the second part. The third is when your world splits down in the middle. The fourth, you're gonna think that you fixed yourself. Fifth, you see them out with someone else. And sixth is when you admit that you may have fucked up a little. So yeah, start listening to these songs, especially this song. You're gonna get over it, trust me. Okay, next question. Your skincare in just 2 steps. 2 steps में तो होता नहीं है यार स्किन केयर, बट इफ आई हैव टू आंसर इट आई वुड से आई एम रियली लविंग सैलिसिलिक एसिड. आई हैड लाइक अ लव हेट रिलेशनशिप विथ इट व्हेन आई वाज टेस्टिंग इट आउट फर्स्ट, बट आई हैव लर्नड सो मच अबाउट माई स्किन इन द लाइक लास्ट 2 months. तो सैलिसिलिक फेस वॉश के बारे में मैंने लास्ट मंथ भी बात करा था. इट्स जस्ट 1% सैलिसिलिक एसिड बाय डर्माको. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट यूज दैट फेस वॉश एवरी डे. यू कैन यूज इट डे एंड नाइट, बट आई लाइक टू यूज इट एट नाइट. बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सीरम. So because I have dry skin now, I use it only for an hour and then I wash it off, because every time I am supposed to use any skincare, especially active ingredients, I get it approved from my dermat, and this is the way how my dermat has told me to use. So because I have dry skin, that is the reason why I use it for an hour, wash it off at night, and then follow it up with my moisturizer and all of that. Salicylic acid is meant to unclog your pores and also deal with active acne. If you have extremely oily acne prone skin, then you can use it overnight, and my sister does that and she saw amazing results. Bhakti Didi has an oily acne prone skin and usko kuch problem nahi hua salicylic acid se. So yeah, but if you have dry sensitive skin, you have to use it like only for an hour or 2 hours and then wash it off, because that's what at least worked for me. Pura night laga ke it did not work for me. Salicylic acid is the most effective ingredient when it comes to active acne. It goes deep into your pores and gently exfoliates your skin. So you can use whichever salicylic acid that you want, but I have been loving the Dermaco 2% salicylic acid. Dermaco is a brand which makes their products with scientific ingredients which are safe and effective to use. So you guys already know that I have been working with Dermaco and I've been trusting their products for so long now that whenever it comes to skin concerns, I always go on their website and check out the products. I think they are extremely honest because they write the exact amount, the percentage of the active ingredient on their packaging itself. Also they write कि product को कैसे use करना है, product को कैसे नहीं use करना है. I think that is very unique because not everybody writes those instructions कि कैसे नहीं use करना है. That's not needed for a brand to do, but they do it. Plus it's affordable, it's not extremely expensive, so you can use this code which is flashing on screen right now called Mansi20, which will give you 20% off only on their website, but they also are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Don't you think it's scary to be on social media when so many people are watching you? A lot of people say that social media comes with baggage, and when you are on social media, this is about to happen, this is for sure gonna happen, people are gonna hate on you and you're supposed to be prepared for it. I have a different mentality that social media does not come with baggage. Baggage audience की वजह से आता है. We have not signed anywhere whenever we come on Instagram or YouTube कि आपको hate comments आएंगे, you have to sign this bond. Hate देना है नहीं देना है ये आप पे depend करता है and audience पे depend करता है. You as in not you, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about people who hate on each other or hate on social media especially. They just feel that social media पे आके बात करना and opinion रखना, लोगों को नीचा दिखाना या फिर लोगों को बताना, स्पेशली द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कि आप कैसे गलत हो, दे फील उनका ईगो बूस्ट हो जाता है एंड दे फील रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो या, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी स्कैरी टू बी ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज योर लाइफ इज जस्ट आउट देयर एंड दो वी चूज how much to show you guys, but people will assume so much about you. Like I am so open with you guys, but still you just know 10% of my life. You have no idea what happened with me today, what I had for breakfast, whom did I fight with, मेरा कौन से ब्रांड के साथ झगड़ा हुआ है, मेरा कौन सा पेमेंट अटका हुआ है, मेरे घर पे कौन बीमार है, आपको नहीं पता है. But still people judge me or anybody else so much कि as if उनको सब पता है सबके बारे में. सब मतलब सब. And it's just a sad and harsh reality of YouTube or Instagram or any social media that people are so quick to judge. and वो जो बोलते हैं ना लोगों का काम है कहना, क्यों भाई क्यों, मतलब I just don't know. So I know that it's not impossible because I don't talk shit about people, I don't go and comment on other people's posts. So I know, and not because I am a creator now, I never did that when I was a viewer and I was on the other side of the camera. मैंने तभी भी नहीं करा. सो आई नो कि इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये चीज़ इम्पॉसिबल है और ये हो ही नहीं सकता. हो सकता है बट लोगों को करना नहीं है. सो व्हेन आई मेड द लास्ट Q&A वीडियो, आई गॉट लाइक 90% of 95% of the comments were so good and I loved the comments, but remaining comments were like, you're such a coward. If you can talk about products which work for you, why can't you talk about products which don't work for you? I do. L'Oreal Infallible Foundation breaks me out. ये मैंने आपको सीधे सीधे मुंह पे कैमरा पे बोला है. But I will not go and make a video saying truth about L'Oreal and this foundation is shit and using the same foundation in the logo. That I'm not gonna do. उसके against हूँ मैं. I am not against brutally honest reviews. I am against people using the same brand to gain views and using that in their thumbnail and their title. Let's take the L'Oreal ka example only because I don't like the Micro Essence also, and I could like earn so much because of that campaign, but I turned down that campaign na. So does that mean L'Oreal is bad? No, I love L'Oreal ke shampoos. I love their hyaluronic acid and I'm gonna work for it as well, work with them for it as well. So I'm not gonna go and be like, oh, truth about L'Oreal and then use the products that I don't like. जब आपको नहीं पसंद आता है ब्रूटली तभी बोल दो कैमरा पे. अलग से जाके वीडियो बनाने के अगेंस्ट हूँ मैं. People thought that I am against brutally honest reviews. No, I am not like that, and that's just my mentality that I am against anti-hauls, however you want to pronounce it. People were like, no, anti-hauls are so popular and they just open our eyes. That's so wrong, because जो इंसान anti-haul बना रहा है वो प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करता है जो उनके लिए काम नहीं करे. That does not mean कि वो आपके लिए भी काम नहीं करेंगे, but because of placebo effect you also start feeling that the product is bad. For example, if I make an anti-haul, tell me honestly if you're gonna buy any of the product from that haul. You won't buy it because आपको दिमाग में बैठ गया कि नहीं, मानसी ने बोला था ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, that broke her out, so I won't use it. Infallible foundation ही ले लो यार. It's loved by multiple beauty gurus in India and outside India as well, across the globe. That Infallible foundation is like a cult favorite. But मेरे को वो रैश देता है, मेरे पूरे स्किन पे आ जाते हैं बम्स, तो मैं नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ उसको. But I'm not gonna bash the product or the brand for it. Next questions are like about other YouTubers, that why are you not collaborating with ABC, XYZ. I'm not gonna take their names. Abhina, I have not collabed with anybody on this channel. Have you seen any collab except Mridul? No. I have to collab with Gopali, with Haley, with so many other people, but मुझे बहुत weird feel होता है to ask them to do it. You know what I mean? मृदुल के साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा रैपो है, and मेरा सिर्फ यूट्यूबर वाला रिश्ता नहीं है मृदुल के साथ. We are literally sisters. So उसके साथ it comes very naturally, but with others I have to be professional. I don't have to sound clingy. There is so much that goes behind a collaboration. I know some people do it very very frequently and very very easily, seamlessly. मेरे से नहीं होता है. I am not good at it. It's that simple. However, I know you want to see a lot of people on the channel, so I will try. I'm gonna try with Gopali and Haley first. Second thing why I don't do it is because I am over punctual and I expect other people to be over punctual as well, and I know that other YouTubers are not, and they have other things to look at as well. So when I'm gonna collab with somebody, and you know जब वो multiple वाले collabs होते हैं ना, that YouTubers control my day and जो भी वैसे वाले, तो बहुत सारे लोगों के clips आने पड़ते हैं, and अगर वो टाइम पे नहीं आएंगे I will break down, and I cannot blame anybody for it. I just am like that. I need everything to happen on time. So that is also something that I have to keep in mind, and because I don't want the collaboration to take a toll on my mental health. I know for some people it's going to be so stupid, but for me it's not. For me time is everything, because I don't know what's going to happen with me tomorrow or day after or anybody else who's in my life. So I use every second and every hour of my life wisely, and I don't like people who are late, or I don't like it when people don't respect time. That's one of the reasons why I don't want to collaborate with multiple people. वो वाला जो video होता है ना, that all of them are in one video. One to one, yes, I will try my best, because I know that you guys want to see other people on my channel. So yes, I will try my best. Next question is, what's your parents' opinion on having a boyfriend or love marriage? I don't think my parents will have a problem if I do love marriage, because they know that I would need a guy and a family who's accepting me for my profession, because I'm gonna be with the camera the whole time. So वो orthodox families में होना बहुत difficult है. So my dad knows कि I have to find somebody on my own. But I feel that my parents have changed over the time. So I'll tell you a fun fact which you would not believe, that I was not allowed to go for sleepovers till the first year of my engineering. Imagine. Like, I was not allowed to go and stay at anybody's house, but I was not allowed for parties, I was not allowed for anything. So my parents have been strict and orthodox in the past, but I'll tell you one thing, that my parents have changed drastically after I have started earning well. This is the reason why I encourage you girls to start being independent and start being financially stable. आपका कुछ अलग ही लाइफ बन जाता है, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड आवर पेरेंट्स ओनली वांट अस टू अर्न, एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इन अ बैड वे. ऑफ कोर्स they want us to be stable, because India में the only thing which is क्या बोलते हैं, which is the indication of you being stable is पैसा कमाना. You are stable if you are earning money. People don't care about your mental health or how you're doing internally. They just see कि हाँ ये बहुत कमा रही है ना, मतलब ये stable है, ऐसा है. But which is 50% true as well, because a lot of the times people are having tension about their career, and career मतलब क्या, पैसा कमाना, right? So once you start being independent now, your parents are gonna have a different lookout for you, trust me, because I have seen that. My parents have been extremely strict in the past and now they are not. So yeah, my parents won't have a problem if I do love marriage. And about the boyfriend thing, I have never spoken to them about it, because they don't believe, I think all Indian parents don't believe in this whole culture of boyfriend and live-in relationships. So when I am ready to get married to the guy, I will just tell them ki yeah, this is the guy, I want to get married to him, and they, I think, will be okay with it. Okay, one last question, that being from a typical Marathi family, can you tell me how did you reach till here? Guys, it was extremely difficult. When I look back at it, I have gone through so much. That day only Bhakti Didi and I was speaking about this, and she said that I'm so proud of you because you have gone through a lot, Mansi. And she was the only one who was supporting me back then. Not even my parents, not even my friends. Only person who was there was Sahil. All of my other friends were like telling me कि Mansi side by side कर ले, full time नहीं होगा, क्यों कर रही है, and all of that. Engineering के लड़कियों ने तो मेरा मजाक ही बना के रख दिया था. All the relatives who were coming home, they used to be like, job नहीं मिळाला, मिलाऊ का कुठे जॉबला हिला. And I was like, जॉब मिळाला नहीं is not the case. That means मुझे जॉब मिला नहीं, ऐसा है नहीं, मैं प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए बैठी नहीं हूँ, because I don't want a job. It's not like I didn't get a job. So yeah, I have suffered a lot, and I still go through this criticism by my relatives, दूर के cousins. They would always look down upon me whenever we meet for functions and stuff. I don't give a shit, because I know that this was my dream. All of this, having this camera, having you guys in my life, virtual friends who love me and support me, this house, and the future things that I'm gonna plan and build for myself. It's not about just Marathi and Maharashtrians, it's just Orthodox people, families in general. It just happens, and you and your work will speak. So अगर आपको कुछ करना है, and you don't have to be a creator, okay? You can do amazing in your job as well. And हमेशा creator बनना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है. When I motivate people, people always think कि oh, you are shaming 9 to 5 job. I have never done that, and I will never do that, because my sister has a 9 to 5 job. Dad has served TCS for so long, for 36, 37 years. My eldest sister is a doctor. She's a dentist. She goes to clinic. My Jiju. Everybody has a 9 to 5 job. Why will I shame them? Because I know that they have to do so much. That's the reason why I didn't do it, because I knew कि उधर भी उतना ही struggle है. मैं ये line में इसीलिए आई because I wanted to be my own boss and I wanted flexible hours. Just because I say I like oranges does not mean I hate pineapples. Stop doing that. Coming back to your question, you don't have to be a content creator to prove yourself, okay? You can do a 9 to 5 job and do amazing in it. You can do something in sports. You can do whatever you want and you have passion in. एंड मुझे ना हमेशा कभी कभी गिल्टी फील होता है कि आई डोंट वांट यंग गर्ल्स टू लुक एट मी एंड फील कि ओ मानसी माओ ने करा कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड शी इज सो सक्सेसफुल, तो हमें भी वही करना है. बिकॉज जो लैक्स ऑफ क्रिएटर्स आज यूट्यूबर इंस्टाग्राम पे हैं, दे आर सक्सेसफुल इसलिए आपको उनकी स्टोरी पता है. बट देर आर लैक्स ऑफ पीपल जो फेल हुए हैं बट उनकी स्टोरी आपको नहीं पता बिकॉज उन्होंने बंद कर दिया चैनल, या फिर उन्होंने बंद कर दिया इंस्टाग्राम, बंद कर दिया उनके स्टोर्स, इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स. सो यू डोंट नो देयर फेलियर स्टोरी. सो कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, दैट you just have to believe in yourself and just let your work speak. Okay you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. Also I want you guys to tell me what sort of other 24-hour challenges you want me to do. Comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.